Do you also play email tag with your clients, going back and forth on when you can meet? You suggest a time, the client suggests other dates, and it takes a long time to reach an agreement. Pipedrive has a solution. It offers the meeting scheduler feature. You can find this feature in the activity section. Click on meeting scheduler. In manage availabilities, haspu adatsekchespu, arikesatalastu, set your free slots and define meeting parameters. Specify the duration for your client, like a 30-minute block. Perhaps schedule these for Monday morning or Wednesday afternoon. You choose how the activity should be displayed in Pipedrive. This means I want it to appear as a meeting. Then when a customer is scheduling a meeting, you will require their name, email, and potentially their phone number. Go ahead and click the continue button. Pipedrive will now generate a unique link that you can add to your email signature or include directly in the body of your email. This allows your client to click the link and immediately see all the available times when they can meet with you. As you can see, they have the option to meet with you on either Monday or Wednesday. The client then selects a time slot that works best for them. He enters his name. The meeting is being scheduled to take place right away. The client will receive an invitation in their calendar and you will have it in your schedule. The meeting was originally scheduled for March 25th. I'll filter for that specific date here, and you can see that the meeting is indeed scheduled, and you have it saved in Pipedrive. It really is just as simple as that. If you find that you need any more tips or extra help with Pipedrive, please know that we are here for you. Simply head over to davame.com. You can find the link in the video description below. That is all for me today.